Hi everyone, in this video I'm going to show you the 4x4 matrix keypad from the hc-mlink range. The hc-mlink range is a range of boards that are exclusive to Hobby Components, so let's see what we have. The hc-mlink 4x4 matrix keypad is a panel mountable serial 16 key tactile keypad. The actual hc-mlink module itself is mounted to the rear of the pad and continuously scans the keypad for any key presses. If a key is pressed, the module stores the key as an 8-bit ASCII value, which can then be read out of its serial interface. Because of great compatibility, it can be used with other hc-mlink or standard I2C modules, allowing you to daisy chain several different types of modules together using only the two I2C pins of your microcontroller. So first off, if you're an Arduino user, all the hc-mlink modules use one library and you only need one instance of it too, meaning it uses very little resource and therefore makes it a great choice for Arduinos with small amounts of memory and pin count. I'll link to the library page of our forum in the description below. We also provide example sketches on the forum. I would urge you to take a look at the abundance of info we have on there. Here's a quick run through of adding the library to the Arduino IDE. So once you're on the forum, you're going to scroll to the hc-mlink category and then scroll down that main page to find the library. Click on that link and you'll find a zip file partway down the page. Click and download that. Open up the Arduino IDE. Go to Sketch and Include Library, add zip file, locate the download, double click, and that's installed. Now if we go into the Arduino folder in the libraries, you'll see it's all there. Now File, Examples, and at the bottom you'll see hc-mlink, and there's a whole host of different example sketches in there. If you use Raspberry Pi, we have a Python module which can be installed via pip using command pip install hc-mlink, or you can download and install directly from the forum. I'll add relevant links in the description. Anyway, now you have the library installed, let's move on. So the next step is to locate the diagram on the forum for making the physical connections. As you can see, we need to connect ground, power, SDA and SCL pins. I'm using the Hobby Components Uno Plus. Now, I do normally prefer to use a black and red wire for the ground and power, but it just happens that I have this cable here. So let's pop these four into the actual module. This probably would have been easier one at a time, but hey ho. There we go. Right, now to make the connections on the actual Uno or Uno Plus. So red is ground, orange is the power, flip these under. Yellow goes into A4 and the green one goes into A5. I'll add a link in the description for the diagram anyway. Right, so that's the physical connections made. We need to write a bit of code. So the first thing we need to do is tell the IDE to include the library. So hash include mlink.h. Then we need to create an instance of that library. So mlink semicolon. Now set the default I2C address. So hash define I2C underscore add 0x55. Now we need to open the serial port and set the data rate to 9600 bits per second. So void setup serial.begin, set that to 9600. Now we need to initialize that library. So mlink.init. In the main loop is where we'll put the code we want to repeatedly run, which will monitor for new key presses in this instance. So char key equals mlink.read. I2C underscore add keypad underscore 4x4 underscore key. Now it's waiting for inputs. We need it to do something with what it receives. So if key is pressed, serial print key colon. So that'll output the word key and a colon followed by the physical input from the keypad. So if we add serial.println key, this will force a carriage return and line break so that the information being thrown out makes more sense. Right, so as you can see, I've already added power. You click the upload, it will flash. Now that should be in there, it's not come up with any errors. Let's open the serial monitor. Fingers crossed. Excellent. I hope this was useful. If so, give the video a like and consider subscribing to our channel. And to all you makers out there, see you next time.